Whew. If I was into climbing or I had time, I would be going up some of this because I think it's beautiful and I'd love to go check out some of these caves. La Quinta, California, Palm Springs. So we're just going to call it Palm Springs. There's Palm Desert, there's Palm Springs. Today we're talking about going through the Habitat Humanity Resource Store. This was a hard video for me to put together because I went into the resource store thinking we're going to be talking building products and what you can actually purchase here. Believe it or not, there is still some things here, but it's not what I was anticipating. And I'm hoping that the resource store really has not changed their ways and decided to go down a different avenue. There was a time and day when, especially when my pocketbook was pretty damn dry and I needed to fix something, I would go to the resource store. I would find a used building supplies store, and I would go in there whether I needed to replace a door, whether I needed to replace a vanity, and I could do it cheap. But what a surprise. Today, at least in Palm Desert, the resource store really has changed and gone more to a furnishing store. Here's an overview of the store. It looks like a dang department store instead of a building store. I don't know. I expected to walk into the store and see on the back wall racks of doors, racks of windows, racks of kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, like a used lumber store would be. We built false walls and threw some cubies up, and we put couches in, make a little living room area with dining room tables. There's some beautiful pieces in here. This is an option if you want to furnish. Maybe it's your kids' first homes. Don't knock out the resource store because apparently they have now gone into furnishings. From tables to couches, chairs, dining room sets. It is here. You need lamps for end caps, for your end tables. It is here. Nightstands, the lamps are here at a fraction of the cost. I bet you could furnish a complete house here for, I don't know, 2,500 bucks and have a very nice house. Furnishings in here. There's some beautiful leather pieces. Maybe you got a light fixture you want to change out. Believe it or not, you can do that here too. On this back row, as you can see, here's a rows and rows of hanging chandeliers. Whether it's a dining room table, maybe it's an entry area. They have round ones, they have long ones, they have skinny ones. It is here. You can get the chandeliers from the resource center and save a tremendous amount of money. Instead of spending whatever $600 on them, they have them here for $100 for high-end ones. I'm very, very impressed with this. We can look at flooring. They did have a small section of flooring. It was nothing to brag about, but maybe you've got a bedroom that just has old carpet in it that really needs to come out. For $300, you can get enough flooring to redo a bedroom floor in a laminate and not have it break the pocketbook, such as you see here. If that's not necessarily what you're looking for and you're looking at replacing an appliance, don't knock out the resource store because obviously they have a refrigerator here. This is an extremely nice double door with the vegetable trays as well as freezers on the bottom. Come on! Like I said, this video was supposed to be on building materials and not appliances and furnishings. It's really turned into a used furniture store, at least here in Palm Desert. So this will be interesting because we're going to do the same thing. I've got to check one out now when we get over to Texas, maybe into Mexico or New Mexico. On the way to Texas, we'll have to stop at one and check it out and give you an update on that. But some way, somehow, I want to do a weekly update or video on some type of building products while I'm on the road. This coming year, I have officially dropped down to part-time, so I should have more time to do building related videos. We're going to get into some metalworking. wrapping windows and things like that. We have an updated gutter video coming out. Well, somebody had requested a flat roof video. We have all of these coming. So stick with me. You'll be very happy you did. We got about another week and a half, 2 weeks to where I can settle in Texas and we can start doing some of these things. But as I'm on the road, it's kind of tough. So with that said, I hope this was informational. Obviously, if you live in the Palm Springs area, California, go down to the resource store. Because I can tell you, if I'm furnishing one of my kids' first apartments or first homes, I will look at the resource center. And I'm anxious to get back home and make sure that we still have true lumber in it, or have they really changed the directions to which they are going. With that said, you guys have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next week. We got that laser video coming on Pulse Laser Systems. I did manage to put that together. It's being edited right now, and it is to follow. So we will see you guys very shortly. Hopefully my editor don't let me down. Bye now.